Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to check your login or history activity on Steam. So all you have to do is simply launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account. And then from here, click on the help icon or the help option here at the top left corner of the screen. And then from the menu that appears, select Steam support, click on that. And then from here, scroll down and find the My Account option and click on it. And then scroll down again and find the last option, which is data related to your Steam account, and click on it. And then from here, scroll down again until you see the recent login history. So click on it. And then now for security purposes, you have to confirm your account credentials. So type in your account details. And once you type in your account details, click on sign in. And then now if you have a verification enabled, you have to type in the code that appears on that particular email address that is linked to your Steam account. So let me type in the code. So type in the code, then give it a few seconds. Now from here, you should see all the login details or login history on your account. So for me, it's a new account, so I cannot see it, or you have to at least have 24 hours so that you can see it. And that's basically how to check on your recent login history on Steam. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.